Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Baker local and long-distance movers near me. Whether commercial, domestic, local, or long-distance, and even international shifting requires a lot of efforts and manpower for the same. Before relocating, we can help to unpack all your belongings as well, which otherwise might have taken weeks or even months. Hire a trained team like us to save yourself from the pain of relocating. We will provide services at an affordable price. We can also help you to carefully pack and organize your stuff. We also offer insurance on all products so that all your belongings stay safe during the relocation process. We make sure to take all the precautionary measures and bear all damage without any additional cost just in case the products get broken. The major reason to hire us is our experience. We have more than 20 years of working experience in local, long distance, and even international client moving. We understand our clients may have various shifting requirements, so we majorly focus on providing high-quality services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Baker Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.